All right. I want to give all praises, honor, and glory to Yahweh, Ba'Shem, Yahushai, Ba'Shem, Rakakadash. Double honors to apostles of Great Millstone, and salutations to the elect that's pushing this truth. Today's show, I want to talk about that this truth is not for everybody. All right. So people think that they can just open up the Bible and just understand, the mysteries and the secrets about it. But it's not for everybody. Not everyone's gonna understand the truth. And then the otherworldly nature of this truth. They're not gonna understand it. All right. No matter how hard they try, some people the Most High just doesn't want them to get it. So this is Romans chapter 11, verse 7. What then? Israel hath not obtained that which he seeketh for? Yeah, because Israel, we're mourning right now. All right, the blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans, which are the true Israelites of the Bible, they're mourning. They're seeking for purpose. They're seeking for something. They're longing for something. We're mourning. So it says, but the election hath obtained it, and the rest were blinded. Yeah, so the elect is the only one that's going to be able to get it, and the rest were blinded. So the Most High literally had people blinded to not get the truth, and had some people to get it. All right. All right. Here's another precept. Because not everyone's gonna get this thing. All right. Because this truth is out of this world. What we speak, is just too far for people to understand. It's too far for people to understand that the blacks, Hispanics, and Native Americans are the chosen people of God. It's too far. It's very far for people to understand. Like reincarnation is in the scriptures, and to understand that the white man's the devil. Like it's just too hard for them to understand these things. But if the Most High has the Spirit on you to understand it, well, hey, that's good. That's just your call. You're chosen. All right, this is John, chapter 14, verse 17. Even the Spirit of truth, whom the world can't receive, but it seeth him not, neither knoweth him, but ye know me, for he dwelleth with me, and shall be in you. So right here it says whom the world can't receive. So that Spirit of truth is Yahushai. All right, it's the Holy Spirit, Yahushai. And Yahushai comes in the volume of the book, which is these scriptures. So the whole world's not gonna be able to receive these scriptures. The whole world's not gonna be able to receive the Holy Spirit. The whole world's not gonna be able to receive Yahushai. So not everyone's gonna understand. All right. It's just simple as that. Like from the very beginning, the Most High knew exactly who He wanted, exactly who He doesn't want. Some people literally just save for the fire, the end of destruction. So not everyone's gonna get this thing. All right. Got a precept. All right, so this is Proverbs chapter 21, verse 16. The man that wandereth out of the way of understanding shall remain in the congregation of the dead. So that means if you're in this truth and you turn your back on the Most High, you're going to remain in the congregation of the dead, which is these people out here that doesn't have the truth. All right. These people that don't know about this truth, they don't understand it, they're spiritually dead. All right. Doesn't mean physically dead. Well, not yet, but per se, but they're not physically dead. It's just they're spiritually dead because they don't know the truth. They don't know. They don't know. So if you come to this truth and you turn your back and you go off, you shall remain there. You shall remain in the carnation of the dead. Yeah. So not everyone's gonna get this thing, man. Alright, because this is otherworldly. This is otherworldly. Alright. It's a very, but to the righteous, you know, it's not a hard thing. It's not a hard thing to understand. But if you're evil, it's hard to understand it. It's hard to you know, to get it. It's hard to try and change because you like wickedness, you know. So yeah, this is just a short lesson. So I want to talk about how some people just couldn't get it, you know. So I hope this lesson was edifying, and shalom.